Hi, my name is Sean Batchelor, and this is my Project 1 review of my first week in Scalable Data Infrastructures, class 2013, December. I feel like what really went well for me was understanding the basic concepts of JavaScript, the variables, the outputs, the inputs, the different terminologies used. I feel like that went really well. On the flip side, what actually didn't go so well with me was keeping track of the nested conditional statements. I felt like the more I put into it, the more levels I put into the conditional statements, the easier it got to lose track of where one started and where one ended. And so I found from the videos, keeping those tabs aligned properly actually did help, to keep a visual representation of where you were in the code. So how does it relate to past experiences in life? Well, like I said, I don't really have that much experience in programming, but I've played around with some codes, and in fact, I've tried to have a website developed not by myself but by other people, and I've looked at different platforms that they have out there. I've tried to look into the code and see if I could understand what was going on, and to be honest, I could understand barely nothing. But learning the concepts, the basic concepts and principles of JavaScript, I can go back and look at it and be like, oh, well, that's what that meant. So I feel like that really connected with what I was trying to do earlier back then when I had absolutely no knowledge of JavaScript or any coding or anything like that. And for the future, I'm really an idea person. I sit down and think of crazy things all day, and especially when it comes to like creating, businesses or doing different business ideas. I feel like learning how to code, learning how to write applications and software, or even websites will actually help me in the future if I do, come up with some business concept that I want to actually pursue full time. I think this will definitely help, with me having the mind that I do for entrepreneurship and business. I can see learning how to code as a fundamental uh, need in going forward in the industry. So, again, I'm Sean Batchelor, and this has been my review of my first week in Scalable Data Infrastructures, Project 1. Thanks for listening.